small, I thought my father was stronger than the sea. Tiny footsteps next to yours, learning life through open doors. You never spoke too many words, still I heard everything.